Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make a door wreath with 4 wreath forms that I bought from the Dollar Tree. If you like this video, please leave a comment below, give a thumbs up and share. You will need 4 of these wreath forms from the Dollar Tree. Also some burlap ribbon. Using some hot glue, I am now going to wrap the burlap ribbon around the wreath forms. I am now going to attach the ring forms together with some burlap ribbon that I have cut. I found the H, the O, and the M at Walmart and found the E at Michael's. It's so funny how I could find all the letters at Walmart except for the E. I had to go to Michael's and find it. I guess the E is a very popular letter. I really wanted to spray paint these letters, but it was a cold day outside here in Colorado again, and I wanted to get these done, so I hand painted them. I am now going to apply some Mod Podge and crushed glass. Here I am applying the Mod Podge. I am now sprinkling the crushed glass onto the wet Mod Podge, but I am only doing this onto the letter O, so it will stand out. I am applying Mod Podge to the other letters, and I'm going to use some white glitter. The next day, when the Mod Podge had completely dried and it was a little warmer outside, I set the glitter with 2 coatings of clear spray paint. It is now time to glue the letters onto the wreath form with some hot glue. You can use some East 6000 if you want to for extra hold, which I ended up doing off camera. After untwisting the nautical rope, I am going to place it on top of the wreath with the letter H. Showing you where I squeezed the E6000 for extra hold. It is now time to place the flowers of your choice around the wreath forms. Always lay your flowers out in the pattern that you want before gluing them down. Be sure to use a generous amount of hot glue. And don't burn your fingers! This is a great idea for a wedding or baby shower, someone's birthday, or any kind of special occasion you have coming up. I would sure love to know your opinion and leave it in the comments section below so the rest of us can know what you think. Please don't forget to like, share, and give a thumbs up. And until next time, all of you stay safe and take care.